guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I made this mochi vending machine for 99 cents. But before we start, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Now let's begin. So these are all the mochis that we can get. And there's also a ducky that's legendary. So we're gonna try to get that one. And yeah, and at this vending machine, you could also use a credit card. So we're gonna use a credit card. And so it says insert here, and it has the arrow pointing to here. So we're gonna put the card in. Okay, and we're gonna have to put it in one more time because it didn't work. And okay, so the first one we got is this green monster. Next, okay. So the next one we got is this dog, a brown poodle. Okay, then next we got a skeleton. And we got a crocodile. And then last but not least, we got an orange bear. And that was the end of the video. That was part 1. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see part 2. And yeah, we didn't get the legendary ducky, but hopefully in part 2 we can get it. Okay, bye guys.